How to multi-snap on Snapchat. So before launching or opening a Snapchat, you have to simply update your Snapchat because this multi-snap feature on Snapchat is the updated version or the updated features on Snapchat. So if you see any update button, tap on it to update Snapchat. Now tap open button. When you are on this camera page of Snapchat, you will see arrow icon at top right corner underneath the music icon. Select it and you will get the option of multi-snap. Simply you need to tap on it and here you can easily take the multiple snaps on Snapchat at once. So let's select the center icon. So one snap I already have taken. Now let's take another snap. And here you can easily select edit and send button and here select the two snaps, and here if you want to keep one snap you can easily select those, or you can also select the cross icon at the top right of this snap and you can easily cross it as well if you don't wish to. Now you can tap on send to button and easily send to any of your friends on Snapchat. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share it to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.